for Kalibi Handball Club as they continue training despite raining condition. Kalibi Handball Club demonstrated its commitment and determination by continuing its training programs despite heavy rainfall. Unable to train at the park due to the weather, head coach Ralph, together with his coaching staffs, relocated the team to a gym where the players engage in physical conditioning and fitness exercise. The session was aimed at keeping the squad active, maintaining their fitness level, and ensuring they remain fully prepared for upcoming competitions. Speaking after the training session, Coach Ralph reiterated the club's philosophies of discipline and hard work. Kalibi is meant for conquering. Once you become part of this club, you must be ready to work hard every day. Success comes through dedication and not comfort. Remember, he said. The training session reflects Kalibi Handball Club unwavering commitment to excellence as the team continues its preparation with the goal of achieving success in future competitions. Kalibi is meant for conquering in others, and so shall it be. With hard work, you can achieve your aim.